Lesson 3, Section 2, Setting Up an Inspection Program. While setting up an inspection program may seem like a daunting task in an already busy schedule, it's actually quite straightforward and easy. First, you need to develop a basic inspection checklist. These are often 1 to 3 pages long and contain questions covering basic hazards and inspection points we outlined in Lesson 2. For your convenience, we have provided a basic inspection checklist as part of this section, so you can either utilize it as is or tailor it to your organization's specific needs. Make sure the checklist is specific enough to ensure the inspector pays attention to certain key aspects of the play area, but broad and simple enough to keep it at a level appropriate for general facility staff. Now, once you have the checklist in place, a key staff member needs to be designated as the regular inspector of the play area. The person designated typically has other organizational duties as a teacher, administrator, or facilities director. So be sure to pick somebody who is not already overloaded and who is willing to take on this new important responsibility. While you can have different staff members perform the inspections on a rotating basis, it's not recommended because it's important that the same staff member identify any changes in the play area from one visit to the next and get to know when hazards emerge. It's also important that you are clear with the selected inspector that they will not be held liable in the case that there is an incident in the play area. You should consult your legal counsel to draft a simple release of liability waiver that they can sign and set their mind at ease. Once a key staff member is selected as the regular inspector, set up an inspection schedule for your facility. We recommend performing the inspection at least once a week on the same designated day and time. This way the inspection becomes routine and part of the basic workflow. If you'd like to mix it up or have another set of eyes looking at your play area, you can rotate the designated inspector out every few cycles to give them a rest and get a chance to have a fresh perspective on your play area. Before your designated inspector starts a regular inspection program, it's important that the program goals and expectations are shared and that the inspector knows what they are looking for. If you already have a relationship with a certified playground safety inspector, this would be a great time to have him or her meet with the designated inspector and review common items to look for specific to your site and structures. The more information and training you provide your inspector before they undertake this new important responsibility, the better. Remember, the more you invest in your staff or in your own training, the more you will get out of it. Once your designated inspector is trained and equipped, it's ready to get down to work. We'll cover the inspection process in the next section. Please take a look at the resources provided in this section and be sure to answer the provided questions before you move on.